This video lecture I'm going to discuss how to delete repository in Git. So first here I'm going to show you how to check the path of the repository and the name of the repository. Okay, so let's go on the Git tutorial. So this directory is there. So first I'm going to check in this directory there is the repository is available or not. So we need to use this command. So if the repository is there, so this will give the complete path of the repository. So right click, then here open in the terminal. Use that command. So this will give you the total path of this repository. So repository is there and this is the path home Adam desktop git tutorials. After that or this will give the name of the repository, this command base git rep parse, so top level. So this will return the name of the repository. Use that. Okay, so the name of repository is the git. So the total name is git tutorial, but this is returning or first name git. But if you are using Windows, then this will return here git tutorials. So now I'm going to remove the repository. So for this one, you need to use rm-fr.git. So this is the way here. Let's copy and paste there. Not this one. Control Z. So let's copy once again. Paste this command rm-fr.git. Now let's press enter. So here repository that deleted. Let's check here the name of the repository. So now you can see fatal not git repository or any parent directory. That means the repository deleted, and this is not finding the repository, so that this message is displaying. Or you can use this command or git status. So here you can see this fatal not git repository. That means the repository is deleted successfully. Okay, so with the help of this command, we can easily rm-fr git. Okay, so let's delete this one, and here I'm going to use this rm command in this directory. Okay, so first I'm going to check the status, git status. Then you can see this all these things, that means the repository is there. So to remove the repository, simple use this command rm-fr git, paste there and press enter. So this message, now if you are using git status, so this time this is displaying these things, that means repository that deleted successfully. Okay, so with the help of this rm-fr.git, we can easily delete the repository. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.